Hi, and welcome to Learn How to Tap Dance Online for free. My name is Julie, and in this tap dance video, I'm going to show you a tap dancing challenge. So each week, the challenges are going to be posted here on this YouTube page, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our weekly challenges or contests because they do come with rewards. Each week, the person who wins the tap dance challenge will get a free online private lesson with me, no matter what time zone they're in. I'll find the best time that works for you. And also, just for participating, you receive gold taps, which are like gold stars, and those can be redeemed for prizes as well. Another part of this challenge is going to be recording yourself doing the steps. So it's not that easy to just jump with your feet right in front of a camera. You'll see, even though your face isn't on camera, it's still a little intimidating, but it's also a lot of fun. To submit your entry, look in the description of this video for our free Facebook group where you can see all of the videos and information about our free online tap dance lessons. And you can private message me a video of yourself doing the combination through that Facebook group, or you could even post your video directly to our Facebook page to share with everybody. So let's get to it. Happy tapping. Hi, Miss Julie here from Main Street Dance and Music, and welcome to our first Movement Motivational Monday. So in this tap dance video, I'm going to show you a tap combo that I'm not going to teach, I'm just going to show, because I want you to challenge your mind and your feet. Okay, so this step I call the popcorn step. I'm going to do a few variations. Here we go. That's me clapping for you. Okay, and the next one. And the third one. You can hear how it's starting to sound a little bit like popcorn. Okay, and the next one. Okay, and here's the final one. Okay, so that's our Monday popcorn combo contest. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our tap dance contests. Every Monday I will post another tap dance combo for you to master. This is just a way to motivate you to get moving and practicing and find time for yourself throughout the week. All submissions have to be received by Sunday afternoons. How's that? Okay, happy tapping.